Did you know you can make shepherd pie with tuna? Yes, it's not only with beef, but you can make it with tuna. And let me show you how. So, these are the ingredients we'll be needing. We have some potato, and this is also our vegetables right here, some chopped onions, and these are spices, tomato paste, some chopped garlic, and then the spices as well. We have our batter here. Yes, this is what we'll be using to mash our potatoes. And we also have our cheese right there and some milk that will be aiding in mashing the potatoes smoothly. Into a pot on fire, you go in with your potato, add some salt to taste, cover this and let it cook until it's soft and tender. Yes, we let it cook until it's soft and tender, just like this. Now, from here, all you have to do is when you realize it's soft, you have to just strain the water and then we'll now allow this to cool while we work on our gravy or our filling. Okay, you can use vegetable oil, but I'm using butter, and then go in with your chopped onions. Let these and also add your chopped garlic to it as well. Let this simmer for some time, and then you go in with your tomato paste. Okay, let it simmer for few minutes. You can just make this like you make your regular gravy, and it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. But I wanted mine a bit dry. I don't want it to be too moist, too watchy. Yeah. So you can do it like this. After this, also the tomato paste fry very well, and I achieve whatever flavor I want, just like this. You let it simmer for a few minutes. I went in with my Brunswick tuna, okay, Brunswick tuna, and then I'm using two of that, okay. So it's best when you get that. It has a lot of water, and then this is with a Thai chili sauce. It also has some extra chili there that you can just break it into add a little heat to your shepherd pie. So yeah, it's fine to use that. It has some quite a lot of water there that you don't really need water. I did not add extra water to this. In fact, I even drained some of the water from the Brunswick tuna, so it's fine. I put in my vegetables, I added my seasoning that you saw from earlier, and then I'm going to let this simmer for few minutes, and then I will just set it aside and go ahead to mash my potatoes. So you can see this is what I want to achieve. Let's just set this aside and go ahead to mash our potato. So to mash your potato, you just add some butter to your potato, just like this. Just add some butter, and then with your masher, just like this, you mash it. You can use a hand mixer if that is what you have. Add some milk and continue mashing until you achieve a smooth texture. Okay, it depends on how smooth you want. Okay, the milk helps to mash it easily and for you to get the smoothness that you really need. Added some cheese to it while I mash again. Okay, yes, the cheese is just going to make the whole thing taste good. It's going to take the whole flavor to another level, and that it's important. If you don't want a lot of cheese, just reduce it. So now that all is set, let's just put our mashed potato beneath our baking pot, layer it very well, make sure it's layered very well, and then put in your gravy or your filling from earlier. Make sure you put a generous amount there. If it's to put everything there, just do it, and then that is if your pot can contain it, and then top it up again with some mashed potatoes. Yeah, yeah, you see, it's so simple and it's not really time consuming, especially when you are using your tuna and all of that. Is so simple. So in case you are not a fan of beef and you want to enjoy some shepherd pie, just do well to use this, okay, recipe, and it will help you a lot. Okay, shepherd pie with tuna. Mm-hmm. Just put a fork across it, just like this. Put sprinkle some more cheese, and then what we'll do here is to put this into the oven, and then we'll bake until golden brown, just like this. Okay, just like this, and then our shepherd pie is just ready to be enjoyed. Okay, you see this right here. It's so moist, it's so filled, and it tastes so great. If you found this video very helpful, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and all the ingredients will be listed in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.